Looking Vibrant nutrition gurus roam the world looking for wild-crafted exotic herbs and spices. From pristine islands like in the Philippines, which they have over 7,300 islands and some are inhabited by the local tribal people, that Looking Vibrant helps support them to sustain their traditional life and culture, in addition to helping them reseed the forest. In return, they help us gather these exotic herbs and spices to be used in Looking Vibrant supplements.
There are picnic tables and benches scattered around where visitors can relax, cool off in the shade, and take in the natural surroundings. Apart from its nature sanctuary and impressive views, Mount Bandalaan is probably most well known for its Healing Festival, which takes place during the Holy Week every year. Over the last century, Siquijor has gained a widespread reputation for being an enchanted place of mystical practices, including healing arts, voodoo magic, sorcery, witchcraft, potion making, and incantation rituals. While largely exaggerated, overhyped, misunderstood, and not representative of everyday modern life across most of the island, there is certainly merit to Siquijor's long-term association with alternative medicine and unique healing methods. During the Healing Festival here at Mount Bandalaan National Park, traditional healers from nearby villages bring herbs and medicinal plants they've collected all year. They then create special mixtures and perform their rituals. In contrast,